Hello everybody. Today I want to show you a little bit more on the Webex Assistant. I'm in front of the Room 70 dual screen here in the Malvern Cisco office. So thank you to Cisco for letting me stand in front of this thing and check this out. But this system has, actually was in the first video I did on Webex Assistant. Some of the basic functionality was shown there. The functionality has been enhanced. There's a number of new features. I'm going to show you some of the old favorites as well as some of the new stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching and let's dive into it. Hit that subscribe button if this type of thing has your interest. So first of all, we walk into the room, we see the system here. We use the keyword, which is OK Webex, and we can ask the system what functionality it has available. OK Webex, what can you do?
I'm Webex Assistant. I'm here to help you and your team work better together. Say OK Webex and then ask me any of these.
The system will give us the options that it has, and you can see here meetings, calling, personal room, so on and so forth. There are a few new functionalities that I want to highlight. I could ask the system to change the volume. OK Webex, set the volume to 50%. System sets the volume. OK Webex, set the volume up to 75%. Turn the volume back up to 75%. You can see the volume has changed. We still have the calendaring functionality. When the meeting is ready to start, we can simply ask the systems to start the meeting. Something that's been added, however, is the ability to see the calendar and know if the room is in fact available. OK Webex, is this room available?
This room is available until 4 p.m.
It tells us when the room is available until, and it shows the calendar. So you can see that I have a video demo scheduled at 4 p.m. today. We can say, OK Webex, more. It will advance the calendar, and we can see a little bit later in the day as to the, the booking status of this room. You can see as I'm talking, it's transcribing what I'm saying as well. That's how it's working behind the scenes. The calling features have been greatly enhanced as well. So before, when I said to call me, it would actually give me a list of people to call. Now if I do OK Webex, call Adam Schaefer.
Adam Schaefer, right?
Yes.
Sure thing. Starting a call with Adam Schaefer.
In this case, it got a firm yes on that question, and the call was kicked off right away. OK Webex, connect to my personal meeting room.
Adam Schaefer's personal room, right?
Yes.
Sure thing. Joining Adam Schaefer's personal room.
In this case, my device using intelligent proximity is in the room, so the Room 70 or Room 70 dual screen knows whose personal room it is that we're trying to connect to. Another option you have with Webex Assistant is to verbally answer and terminate a call. In this case, I'm going to call the endpoint from my laptop and answer the call via Webex Assistant. Here we go. I'm going to dial the call. When it starts ringing, I'll use the key phrase, OK Webex, answer the call. The call will be answered, and I'll be placed into the video call with the endpoint. Again, in this case, my laptop. OK Webex, end the call.
Goodbye.
Likewise, I can terminate the call via voice command as well. If you're trying to determine the name of the room that you're in, particularly when you're trying to schedule it in Outlook, you can actually just ask the room what room, what the name of the room actually is. Let's give it a try. OK Webex, where am I?
We're in MAL 22 Yellow Springs WR70D.
Your rooms may be, might not be as verbose as far as their name goes, but in that case, it will show you and tell you the name of the room that you're in, so you can go find it in the directory accordingly. We can also ask the system what time it is. Okay, Webex, what time is it?
It's 2:06 p.m.
Probably not the most useful feature, particularly when it's in large font on the screen, but nonetheless, kind of handy. In this instance, I am actually in a call. You can see that I am on the far end as the meeting participant as well. I can actually ask Webex to perform some other functions. So for instance, okay, Webex, turn on self view. You can see that the self view is actually enabled on the screen. I can actually ask it to disable it as well. Okay, Webex, disable self view. And self view is then disabled. I don't believe this system is the host of the meeting or the meeting host. If it was, it would allow us to do recording right from the endpoint as well. Okay, Webex, record the meeting.
Recording is not allowed for this meeting.
So if the endpoint is not permitted or does not have been given host rights, it'll give you a message, something like that. To help enable your users to use Webex Assistant, there is a place card that has some different commands on it. This is a great thing to print out, put in a little upright stand, or to laminate and leave on the conference room table. I'll put the link to this and to the Webex Assistant adoption guide in the video description below. I want to thank you for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, leave comments if you have questions about how this might work in your environment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching. Check out our other content, and we hope to see you again soon.